What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm finally taking you on a drive with the Stage 2 Plus 240. I've got Harris behind the camera finally. He's been on holiday, he's been a bit busy. There's a car coming. What is that? That is very nice, that is. Cheeky little sun by my guy. Yeah, this is what I like. This is what I like. But anyways, yeah, like I said, we're going for a little bit of a drive. I'm gonna show you how it progresses. So from Eco, Comfort, Sport Plus. Also, I'll run you through it quickly. So let me pop the bonnet. So obviously, everybody knows I had the intake when I started my YouTube channel. I've gone ahead, obviously installed the NVM shielded downpipe. I did. You can't really see it, but it sits here and it's ticking very loud. As you can hear, that's just how they are. That's the super one, the B58 TU pump. Also got double res delete, as you know, and it's our gearbox map stage 3. I didn't mention it in the video, but we've done that, and obviously Stage 2 Plus software. But yeah, man, it's really nice. Let's go for a drive. It's gonna be like a POV slash just like a kind of like casual cruise, but we'll see what we get up to. But yeah, man, stay tuned. Let's get it.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby. But you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
So guys, we're starting off with Eco Pro now. I just want to say, like, you know, when you're cruising along like we are right now, it's genuinely like a stock car. Obviously it's a bit louder, but to be fair, like, I'm just coasting. See, like, you can't tell that it's modified. You can a little bit, obviously, because of the noise, but literally how I'm driving now, it's comfy. I'm just cruising along. As you can see, the engines are running. but literally it's just like as if it's a stock car. It's like a 218. Literally, that's how it feels. Obviously, I've a little more smooth progression, but it's very nice. It's very like daily kind of driver. And then you whack it in Comfort, it's basically the same. I think in Comfort it does a few bangs, or it might be subtle. Hold on, I'm gonna test it. Yeah, see, it doesn't bang in Eco or Comfort while you're driving. And then you have that. And then we'll go to Sport. Sport obviously is like that, but you want to go on Sport Plus because you have that little traction slip. It's like 50%, and it's more enjoyable as a drive. And then obviously you downshift. Oh, noise is so sick, like it makes you smile every time. Like, this ain't even like fake, this is me being genuine. Like, I'm just having the time of my life on that. It sounds so good. But yeah, like I said, it has had the gearbox map, so you genuinely feel it in like Sport Plus, traction mode. So this technically is MDM mode. So the blips on it's like M car blips when you downshift. Even when on the upshift, like, look how quick that was. It's so much more quicker than normal. And then obviously do a cheeky little sensor, ramp it down. I'll put my wipers on.
That's auto wipers activated.
Yeah, that's the wipers activated. So yeah, the downshift. I love downshifting. It's just so much fun.
That's all he does.
And then you for it. So addictive.
Pins you in your seat.
Definitely, man. I actually love this car so much. Like, he's made it so much more drivable. Shout out Mabs, man. Shout out him. Look at it! Oh my god. It's so addictive. Like, it's so bad for the fuel. Oh yeah, let's talk about fuel as well. So a lot of people said in my review video that I didn't mention the MPG. Now before, I was having an issue with one of my van solenoids, so my MPG was quite bad. I was getting like 8 MPG to like 13, so it was very bad. But then once I fixed it, I was getting like 19 to 23. Now when you're driving this like normally, you get more range as it's tuned. I don't know what that is. It might be because of the van solenoid, we don't know. But when you're driving it normally, you can probably get like easily 200-300 miles, like local driving and everything. Probably even motorway driving, to be fair. Sending it, you're not going to get anywhere near that. You're probably going to get like 100 max. But honestly, you don't care about fuel when it comes to this car because it's just so addictive. Like you just downshift, 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 and then you let it off.
See the full 720 Newton meter.
Full set, man. And then like, this is 5th gear, and it pulls. Look at the torque. Oh, sorry. Yeah, 720. Oh, wait 1 second. It's crazy. We got a little tunnel coming, so I'll do a little cheeky bang in this. Crazy, man. Yeah, man, like it's, do you know when I got it stage 2 plus, I was quite concerned. I was like, maybe it'll be a bit crazy, like it'll be, loads of people say like with an open diff it's very uncontrollable. I feel like the way he's tuned it is so controllable. Like I know I'll plant it, it'll go that way. So but yeah, there is a little bit of fight in the steering wheel, but that's normal with a rear wheel drive car. Even with the M4, the LSD, of course you're gonna get that.
Very progressive, man.
But it's so progressive, and it's constantly pulling. Like it doesn't like hit a peak and then stop.
How would you say it drives in the different modes?
How would you say what?
Driving the different modes.
Driving the different modes. So obviously Eco Pro, I feel like the gear changes, I'll actually show you now. So the gear changes are so, like when you're cruising you don't care, but like say if you want to put it in manual mode, it would be so sluggish to change gear. But that's because it's like economically changing gear in a sense. It's not mapped that way. It's mapped more for sport. So that's obviously when you switch in comfort, it's a lot more quicker. See, it's very quick, like that gear change is actually very good. That's what me to be.
Puts the DSG to shame.
Yeah, it puts the DSG to shame. Obviously sport plus.
And you get the bangs.
And you get the bangs. But the thing is, the power's never gone. So the thing that amazes me the most, okay, so for example, I'll put in Eco Pro right now, if my finger works. I'll put in Eco now. This is in drive. It's not even the gear's not going to be in sport. So it's in drive right now. I'm going to floor it. It will downshift so quick to like a high RPM. Like it's just imagine you're on that motorway and you're about to like overtake someone when you're building up your speed. Now we can't because there's a car right here. So I might pause.
We'll be back.
And we'll be back. Okay, so watch. It's gonna downshift. You hit the kick down. Look how aggressive that is! Oh my god! Like, it actually shocks me. That's how scary this car is, man. It actually scares me sometimes. Like this is the eco mode, and it's moving like it's in sport plus, but aggressive. So that was with like the gearbox in drive. So if I put it in sport, the gear change drops immediately. You floor it. Look at that, bro! Oh my god! It is actually crazy. I have to have 2 hands on the wheel because. Yeah, man. This car crazy. And like this is where it comes out as well. Like this is where like it's made for. And then like, so that's eco obviously.
That's eco.
That's eco. We'll do sport because there's no point in comfort. Comfort's similar to eco.
Oh god.
So whack it. We'll do it drive first. Actually, we'll do it drive. So we're in drive right now. Yeah. We got a horse on the right, so we're gonna be nice. See, we don't want to scare the horse. Got 2 of them. Fuck you.
More than my car.
So I'm gonna floor it down. Watch the gear change. Watch the progression. Look at the shift. You know when you thought it couldn't get more aggressive, and it got more aggressive. I'm actually crazy. All right, now the gearbox is in sport mode. So I'm gonna turn the corner. Floor it now.
His face has it all.
And then the downshift. Hold on. Why is it not back? There we go. Oh my god. So yeah, so like, do you know they say that you get like M-car kind of blips when you downshift, and then when you shift up, you get M-car blips. That's what they say. And do you know what? From getting the gearbox map done, you can genuinely feel it. Like, it's so aggressive. It puts you back in your seat, and you can actually feel the car change gear. Like, it lurches forward, but it's very like. It's not like a broken.
Just pause on and pause on.
Yeah,
pause on.
it's like just talk.
Yeah. If we can get it down.
Yeah, if you can get it down. Oh, this car is so sick. Oh god.
Then you have that big ass bonnet.
Yeah, then you have the big bonnet. So guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you did like it. And in typical fashion, we've ended up at the petrol station. You know, obviously Tesco Momentum is the one. But yeah, man, I hope you guys did enjoy it. Hope you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. We got some very good features coming up very soon, and a lot of good content. Hopefully mid-August I'm going to host another meet again, so make sure you stay tuned, you subscribe, you follow the Instagram, everything. And shout out to Harris again for helping me record one of these videos. I hope you enjoyed. Stay safe. Peace. We started.